Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to translate in Google Docs. So if you guys, let's say, has a document or a file that you want to translate, you can do that in Google Docs without having to changing the tabs or maybe go to Google Translate. So you can just do the translation in the Google Docs itself, and I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So here I have a paper in English and I want to translate it into my mother tongue into Bahasa Indonesia or Indonesian, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. So in the Google Docs file, you can just go to tools and then find the translate document option. Click on that, and here is you can just rename the new document title, so it will create a new document of your translation. So I'm going to okay, I'm going to just leave it as it is, the document title, and then you can choose a language that you want to translate into. For example, the paper is now in English. I'm going to change it into uh Indonesian. Okay, so this one, and after that, just click on translate. Okay, so it's like in a minute, the translated version will be created just like that without you having to open dictionary or Google Translate in your browser. So now it has been translated into Bahasa Indonesia. Okay guys, so that's the easiest way, the tutorial on how you can translate your document in Google Docs. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you get any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you.